Today topic is closed loop control system, feedback loop and error signal concept. This is a normal closed loop control system. This is reference input, this is PI controller, this is power circuit, this is output, this is feedback block. This output used for feedback. Now under steady condition, this and this will be equal. Output will be equal to reference. When this and this is equal, error will be 0. So output will not change. PI controller quality is such that when error is 0, it will not change. If error is positive, it will increase. When error is negative, it will decrease. But when error is 0, it will not be 0, it will retain old value. For example, suppose this output is 5 volt and this is 0. It will remain 5 volt, it will not change. When error becomes positive, this 5 will start increasing. When error becomes negative, this 5 will start decreasing. And when it becomes 0, it will remain in a steady condition. Here I have shown 3 wave shapes. This point is shown here. This error signal point is shown here and output is shown here. Now in the beginning, suppose this point is 1 volt and output also is 1 volt. So this also 1 volt, this also 1 volt, error is 0, error is 0 at this point. Now suppose here we increase this 1 volt to 4 volt. As soon as we make 1 to 4, a 3 volt error will come here. Because this was 1 volt, this is now 4 volt. So 3 volt error will come. Because of plus 3 volt, this output will start increasing. This output will start increasing. This is increasing. And as soon as it will increase, difference will reduce. So error will start reducing. After some time, say at this point voltage and this point voltage will be equal, 4 volt. When both becomes 4 volt, this also 4, this also 4, then error will become 0. So here output will increase, error will reduce. At this point, this will become equal to this, error becomes 0. Now here suppose I reduce the voltage again. So this was 4 volt, here again has become 1 volt. So negative error will come, this, minus 3 volt will come. Because of minus error, this will start decreasing, this will start decreasing until this voltage becomes equal to this voltage. When both are equal, error becomes 0. When error becomes 0, output will not change and this system will be stable. Today we will close now.